We're making prosthetic hands using 3D printers, and we're going to give them to children in third world countries.
If you go from not being able to eat food with a hand to being able to, just something as simple as that, like holding an object, it changes your whole world.
It feels really good because I'm a part of something like this with people who don't have hands.
And we're giving them the ability to ride a bike or drink out of a glass and make things a lot easier.
When Mr. Gallagher came to me and asked if we could implement this curriculum from Pat and Dive, it really sparked an interest so that my kids get to see not only how the 3D printer works, but they also get to help somebody and help the community.
Really fortunate because a lot of people don't really get this chance in like my grade in high school. Some people might have to go like later in life, so it's really cool that I get to do it now and in school and with other people.
I come in here and I learn about 3D printing and prosthetics and how to help people in third world countries, and I'm so grateful that Northshore has given me this opportunity.